Yeah. What it is, you got your boy Tr3aY. You know how I do it. You know what I'm saying? Representation of my change music. Trying to create my own genre of music called change music. I feel like a lot of people be rapping about stuff, but they don't really be talking about nothing. A lot of people talk as if they want to encourage our young brothers to go out here and do bad and rob and steal and kill and do drugs. But that's why I come to play, because I want to change all of that. 4, 3. Everybody wanna try to go and beat something. Turn on TV is where they learn from. Picking up a gun, touching on the trigger, pointing at the homie, let it rip until the bullets kill something. That ain't gonna break like they did something. Like killing black man, just heal them. Like America just do that when the police pull us over and shoot them. Tell them why we're lost to the world. Stuck and can't get ahead of the world. Brag on dumb stuff like sex, her get her pregnant, then lead the world. Everyone wonder why these children grow up with no future, because their father left and now their child will be raised around future shooters. Then let them in jail one day, stuck in looking for a better way. Can't find the right words to say, because TV raised them their way. So just drop to your knees and pray. There or so we just turn away. But you can't just turn away when you're stuck and feel that's the only way. So we gotta come together, better, show the weather back through the stormy weather. Because if we don't, then they'll be punished by life and work by more than leather. So we can't just give up and let up. We have to go together and grow up and man up. See, we could be more than famous. Positive in the hood is what our aim is. Man, we could be more than famous. Positive in the hood is what our aim is. Man, that's powerful. You know, nah, I'm through. Nah, I'm not gonna do another. I'm not gonna do another verse. I'm gonna leave it at that. I just want to say I would, you know what I'm saying, the type of stuff that I be on. You know what I'm saying, I'm about that change music. You know, my genre change, trying to create my own lane of music, which is called genre change. You know, I heard this beat in the background of the song I listened to the other day, and I heard this beat in the background. I was like, man, I want to rap off that. And so I got to digging around and find out the name of it in the rapper. So I put it in on YouTube, and you know, the instrumental popped up, and I noticed that this is like super old, you know, so I know I'm all latest stuff, but you know, it was just still nice when I heard it. But anyway, this your boy Tr3aY signing out. You know, y'all keep your eyes open, keep your ears open. You know, I'll be looking for some stuff coming out. You know what I'm saying, from me, working on my album called Genre Change. Go by the rap name Tr3aY. And I'm out. 3.